Do you know about cryptocurrencies? How many cryptocurrencies do you know? Do you know that word of cryptocurrencies? So welcome once again on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. We are going to talk about Pi Network. So do you know about Pi Network? Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project designed by Stanford University PhDs, Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Fern. Pi is mined on mobile phone. You only need to tap on the mining button once every 24 hours and you get access to Pi. This project is designed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone through mining on mobile phone. Whether your mobile phone is expensive or a cheap one, any smartphone can just have a mining app like Pi Network. So what you need is only to download the Pi app on App Store or Play Store for the ones that use Android phones. So it's simple. If we reflect back, we know about Bitcoin, about how it was mined. If you don't know it, but at least you have some information about Bitcoin and how it was mined back in 208, 7 or something there. But now you see the price of Bitcoin. Maybe Pi might have the same price or below that, but whatever price it will have, what you should know and have is Pi. You know, Pi Network uses stellar consensus algorithm, which is energy efficient, meaning that it does not harm environment or drain your battery. You know, Bitcoin uses much energy and Pi would not do that, because if it did, maybe few of the pioneers, very few, they would be the only one in that project. But yet it is not like that, because its main goal is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. And we say everyone, you also include. So knowing cryptocurrency is something which is good because it helps you to make an investment. It makes you trade different coins in spot or futures. You are able to control the losses and profits because you have that skill about cryptocurrency. This is the area in which many people, many young Gen Z out there from which are making a lot of money. You know, guys, especially for young generation, for youth, you know, many say that they are experiencing unemployment. But why? Why should you learn about these things? Maybe it's where your wealth will come from. So there are many types of cryptocurrencies. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there is altcoins, and Pi is an altcoin. And there are many meme coins there. If you are going to number them, there are many. Even right now, as we are speaking, there are some coins, cryptocurrencies that are being listed on different crypto exchanges. Yes, there. But there is only one coin, one project, which is giving cryptocurrency to everyone. And the only one project is Pi Network. And you know, in its early beginning of Pi Network, some said that Pi was a scam. It developed slowly until its open network went live in February 20 this year. Because it was not listed on major exchanges like Binance, even someone continued to say that it is a scam, and maybe later people were going to be asked to pay some amount of money. But it did not happen. Nothing you pay so that you can join this project. No, but you are paid through mining. You can now check out the price of Pi everywhere in the internet. It's there and available. So you can be right now the one who can join and be one of the Pi Network's community. Pi Network has something special which makes it even the better cryptocurrency project than the other area projects. That is the Pi ecosystem. In the Pi ecosystem, many apps, decentralized applications, are being built by pioneers, by the Pi core team, as well as different developers who have joined the project. Recently, Pi core team introduced Pi App Studio, an AI tool that is there in the Pi ecosystem to help pioneers and developers to build their own decentralized applications without any technical skill about coding or programming, whatever. This means that anyone who runs a business online, if it's your dream to run a business, to give different service online, now it's your time to build your decentralized application in the Pi ecosystem without any technical skill. What you are required is only to pay 1 Pi, which you have already mined. Now, things are easier than you think. Maybe it's your time to join the Pi Network project right now. How can you join? It's simple and easier than you think. You go on App Store, then download Pi Network, or on Play Store. It does not occupy much space. And plus, it's a wealth that you carry in your smartphone. There has been a rumor saying that Pi is going to be listed on Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange that we have in the world, on 15th of August this year. But there is no official announcement made by Binance. But whether it is listed or not, what you know that the time will come and Binance will recognize the Pi network. And Binance, to know that it will, is that Binance has a Pi wallet. And Binance Connect and P2P are already in the Pi wallet to help pioneers to purchase crypto, to purchase Pi, using those two just forms of payments. That highlights the fact that Binance already knows Pi network. And if you can remember, there was some voting on Binance platform, and Binanceans voted on 87%, telling Binance that it should list Pi. But until now, the Binanceans are still waiting the time that Binance will do so. It may be this coming month. It may be the next after this one. What we should know is that Pi network is a mega crypto project that anyone in the world should know about. If you want to use my invitation code while joining the Pi network, please find it in the link which is in the description of this video. See you in the next video.